Hello, Mr. Salzer's class. We are going to go ahead and read our Monday's Studies Weekly. It's going to be in our week 22, American Justice. Okay? What I want you to go ahead and do is open your Studies Weekly, and in the bottom left-hand corner is our article, and it's called Integrity. Okay? So, this article is called Integrity. What does it mean to have integrity? It means you make your actions match what you say and believe. Integrity is one of the most important character traits a person can have. For example, a poor Mexican immigrant, Ascension Gonzalez, was walking in Los Angeles one evening in 2001 and came upon a bag of money, $203,000 worth. Gonzalez thought about keeping the money, but knew it was wrong. After he heard the money was missing from an armored car, a truck that transports money from banks, he knew what he had to do. He returned the money, although he could have kept it. Though he did not ask for a reward, he received $25,000 for returning the money. Gonzalez showed integrity because his actions matched his beliefs. He knew keeping the money was wrong, so he gave it back. How can you show integrity in your life? If you believe that it is important to do your homework and get it to school on time, you'll make sure to do that. If you believe it is important to show respect to people at home and at school, you make sure you show respect. You can clean up your room when you tell your mom you will. You can be honest. You can be kind to those around you because you know what is wrong, that it is wrong to tease and gossip. You can make your actions match what your parents and teachers have taught you. And then you can say you have integrity. Okay? So that is our article, Integrity. Now go ahead and go to your week 7 continuous learning and go ahead and answer the questions. What is integrity? How did Ascension Gonzalez show integrity? Do you think that it is always easy to show integrity? Why or why not? Answer both questions, please. Okay? All right. If you have any questions on this, please let me know. You can call me, text me, or email me, or send me a dojo, and I'll be more than happy to answer. Bye, guys.